The topic today is, are you planning to plan? Are you thinking about planning? Are you talking about planning? How do we deal with every single day where we just get up and try and do our job and be the best we can be? How do we do it? We plan. Our brains get in the way of our success at work a lot of times because of what's getting in the way of our brains in our personal lives. But then what we take over to work in our professional sides of ourselves sometimes gets muddied by how we react to things. There's this moment of panic. So the feeling of panic is okay. If you choose to allow the panic to either stop you, make you pause, make you doubt yourself, then your choice has been made. The feeling is just the feeling, right? What you choose to do with it or how you choose to react with it is something different. What would it be like to plan your first day back in the office for the day you come back? One of the things that I do if I'm going to be gone for several days is I make sure that my calendar is blocked out for the first half of my day coming in. I don't schedule meetings. I don't allow anybody else on my agenda. I don't plan to get anything done except for get myself settled back in the office, see if I need to straighten up my desk, check emails to see if there's anything urgent. And I give myself the first half of a day after vacation to settle back in. What would it mean to the next time you took time off to plan that next day in order to allow yourself entry back into work versus running back into panic?